Yeah, work is work and work is work. People can be here, that's work. I don't even know if it's worth what it is, and even if it hurts. Hello. Yo, lovely, you can hop on now if you want. Okay. I got two cameras going. Two, yes, me spitting out to you. So quiet down. Like the house quiet down. I'm here running around. I'm not giving you the run around, but just a run down when you want to run me down. Go hire this beat and have. Let me see this. See this might work. I don't know if it's going to cut off. It's just for now. I just want to see if I can get this to work. No, but okay, let's see now. Maybe this is just a little too quiet. Let me do something else here. Oh, what did I do? Like, seriously. I'm getting you Oh, okay. I didn't do anything. I'm supposed to be playing. Oh, come on! Ah! Ugh. Thanks for all your little smiley face people and stuff. Probably gonna do the same shit. I haven't been used it. I remember I charged this like a long ass time ago and then just let it sit. So I understand it's been sitting, but still I didn't use it. Okay, so here's the thing. I am charging my other little ghetto speaker, and I will come back and try this again. Plus, I have to find a way to try to charge this tablet. I mean, it's okay, it's at 60%, but you know, it would be nice. I could go real crazy with it, like I like to go when I have opportunity to make beats. Yeah, so anyway, I'll be back then. I apologize for the delay on things. And I will have to hit up my buddy when I do come back and give her the opportunity to go live. I thought about like going out and doing some shit, but what are we gonna do? It's nothing. It's a Sunday. Woohoo! Anyways, be back. Sorry for this.